Hi folks, this is a video going out for parents but also students alike who are struggling to find I guess where the assignments are on Canvas. I've gotten a couple emails, a couple phone calls about, hey, how do we find things? You know, my child's trying to do the work, but they can't seem to find things. And so it's August 28th, about 1:30 in the afternoon, and I'm going to go ahead and record this and then send this out and post it. So hopefully this helps some people. Now, unfortunately, not every teacher in the district is using the same platform. Some people are using Google Classroom, some people are using Canvas, and then not all the pages are going to look exactly the same, but I'm going to try my best to give you as many tips as I possibly can. So the first thing you're going to do with your student is you're going to go to the school district webpage, and you're going to click on Students. You're going to scroll down to where it says Canvas. Click on Canvas. This is for the Canvas users. Your student has a login, and they have a password. They should know it. If they do not, please contact one of their teachers, and they will be able to get you that information. Once they log in to Canvas, they should see a bunch of courses. Now mine looks a little different because I'm a teacher, but they should have courses that say history, science, math, academic literacy. There's going to be lots of different courses that they need to click on. And so the best way to find out what's due is not to look on the to-do list or what's coming up, because sometimes teachers post things that don't necessarily have a due date. Or maybe they'll post a link to an assignment on another app or another website. And so it won't be maybe a quiz or anything that's actually in Canvas. So it's not going to necessarily pop up over here. So the best way to check is if you actually open up the class. So I'm going to open up my world history class here. I'm going to go to student view so it looks a little more similar to what your student has. Now obviously if you're on a computer it might look one way. If you're on a different kind of device like a phone or a tablet it may look another way. But this is kind of how it looks on my computer in student view. So if we scroll down here, sometimes it will pop up and there will be different links over here like assignments or announcements and stuff like that. So my best suggestion for you would be to sit down with your student and explore all the links. Click on all of them, see what they all do, because they might lead you to something helpful. But often modules is what you're looking for, or sometimes at the bottom there's a big blue button that says modules. So either the link or the button, click on modules. It will pop up with all kinds of different things. So sometimes it's links to an agenda. For example, I have an agenda of what we do every week, so you can get on and see what your student is up to. Sometimes if I have a lesson that I want to record, or I have some notes that I want to give students so they can prepare, I have those right here under lesson notes and links. So they can go to find their notes or their slides on Nearpod, or they can watch the videos of the lessons. There's study guides. And probably the most helpful is often parents are wanting to know, hey, what does my student owe? What kind of work do they need to be doing right now? And my best suggestion for you is look for something that says assignments. Mine says assignments, and there's a link underneath that says assignments for 824 to 828. And it will update every week. Some teachers, it just says, hey, you must do this. Or it may say, just say assignments, or it says assignments for week 2. Look for something that says, hey, you must do this, or assignments. Click on it, and a lot of times it'll open up to a page where that teacher posts assignments. Now they may just post assignments with links and due dates. They may post it like I do, where they say when it was assigned, when it's due, how you can complete it. It just depends on the teacher. But for my class, what I do is I have when it was assigned. I have, one second folks, gonna answer. Sorry about that interruption. So for example, mine says assigned on 8/24. It has links to a quiz here, links to a worksheet that can be done online. It also says if you are a hybrid student, you can get paper copies of these. I have links to videos on how to do them. If we go down to 8/25, this is what was assigned on 8/25, and the links where you can find them. I may post written instructions as well that kind of explain what you're supposed to do, as well as video ones. 8/26, I did the same thing. We had a map to do, and I posted a link to the lesson. And then here I have assignments. Okay, listed at the bottom. It's just kind of a checklist. Hey, before 8:28, this is what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to do this quiz, this worksheet, this one, and all these links are up here on the page. Okay. Now, other teachers may look a little different, so if it's confusing or you're not exactly sure where to go, please, please, please reach out, email that teacher specifically, and they will be able to explain either via the phone or email or maybe in a video like this how your student can access their work. I think that's all I have. Just one more thing about due dates in my class. I understand that this is a weird time and people are having technical issues. Sometimes passwords don't work. Sometimes Wi-Fi goes out. So if any of that happens and you can't make a hard due date like 8:28 and you need an extra day or you need me to be flexible, just shoot me an email. We'll have discussion and we'll make something work. I hope this helps. If you need anything, please, 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 on the front page of my world history page, it does have my email. Please send it to me. All right, thanks. Have a good one.